Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our El Camino there. You can see it's got an aftermarket tilt steering wheel. You can see the oil gauge up there. Fuel gauge at 1/4. I think, pretty sure the blinkers work. Just in, oh, there, that indicator's working. Oh yeah, that one is too. Just in the funky. There's the horn, got an SS badging there. Like I said, I have no proof that it's an SS. There's your stereo, got a power antenna. Here's the radio. Let's see if we can. There's the fan kicked on. Fan works. Wipers, I think we worked on them, so they work. Dome light, I don't know if we don't have bulbs, so that'd be the only thing I know that doesn't work. Got a belt squeal there. Got aluminum radiator, headers, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition. What we got for a carb there? Maybe an Edelbrock electric choke. Like I said, runs and drives good. Said I'm sure his dad was building this car when he passed away, so. He didn't know a lot about it, didn't know nothing much about older cars. There it sounds good. So, good driver quality car. Runs and drives good. We're going to take it out for a drive and watch that video also. 605-695-7391.